The Samsung Galaxy A56, anticipated for release in early 2025, is set to enhance Samsung's mid-range lineup with several notable features. It is expected to be powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, an octa-core processor comprising one Cortex A720 core at 2.91 GHz, three Cortex A720 cores at 2.6 GHz, and four Cortex A520 cores at 1.95 GHz. This configuration suggests performance comparable to the Snapdragon 888, as indicated by Geekbench scores of 1046 in single-core and 3678 in multi-core tests. The device is likely to feature 8 GB of RAM and offer storage options of 128 GB and 256 GB, expandable via microSD. The display is expected to be a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and Full HD Plus resolution. Camera specifications may include a triple rear setup, a 64 MP main sensor, a 12 MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5 MP macro lens, along with a 32 MP front-facing camera. The battery is anticipated to have a capacity of 5,000 mAh, supporting 45W fast charging. The Galaxy A56 is projected to launch with Android 15, overlaid with Samsung's One UI 7.1, and may receive up to 6 years of software and security updates. These specifications position the Galaxy A56 as a compelling option for users seeking high performance and longevity in a mid-range smartphone.